The true secret to resilient skin, robust joints, and a powerful digestive system lies not in topical serums, but in collagen. It is the body's most abundant protein, serving as the literal scaffolding for your tissues. As we age or when faced with chronic inflammation or stress, our natural collagen production declines sharply. Visualize the dermis layer of the skin as a microscopic network of scaffolding. When these collagen fibers become brittle and break down, the trampoline loses its bounce. Your skin loses elasticity, wrinkles deepen, and hair becomes thin and brittle. However, the first and most critical point of breakdown often occurs not on your face, but deep within your abdomen. Zoom in on the microscopic architecture of your intestinal wall. This lining is protected by tight junctions, complex zipper-like protein structures, largely made of collagen. Their function is to selectively allow nutrients into the bloodstream while rigorously blocking toxins. When collagen reserves are depleted, these tight junctions become compromised and separate. This critical breach leads to a condition known as leaky gut. Toxins, pathogens, and undigested food particles, which should have been safely processed, are now leaking directly into your bloodstream. The immune system immediately registers these invaders, triggering a state of chronic systemic inflammation. This is the root cause of issues ranging from chronic joint pain to eczema, rosacea, and persistent acne. Your inflammatory skin conditions are often a desperate external cry for internal structural repair. The path to structural repair requires raw, high-quality building blocks. This is where collagen-rich sources like bone broth and specific amino acids come in. The key amino acids are glycine and proline. Glycine is not just a building block, it's a powerful cellular signaling molecule. It acts as a protective agent for the liver, aiding in the complex Phase 2 detoxification process, which is essential for clearing toxins that would otherwise contribute to dull skin and hormonal imbalances. Proline, meanwhile, is rushed directly to the damaged cellular sites. Visualize these raw amino acids acting as microscopic welders on the gut lining. They facilitate the rapid healing and sealing of the compromised tight junctions. By healing and sealing your gut barrier, you effectively stop the source of inflammation that causes chronic acne and digestive distress. With the inflammatory cascade halted, the body can divert its newly acquired collagen resources to visible aesthetic repair. Observe the synthesis process. Collagen peptides integrate into the dermis scaffolding, restoring structural integrity, filling out fine lines, and dramatically improving hydration retention. This cellular support also extends to the hair follicles, where collagen forms the protective sheath necessary for strong, thick hair growth. Invest in the architecture of your body. Collagen is not a transient supplement, it is the fundamental infrastructure. By addressing the structural health of your gut lining, you gain control over systemic inflammation, achieving stability, flawless skin, and resilience that starts from your core. Heal your gut, heal your skin, and strengthen your life.